Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my November 2020 IPSY Glam Bag Ultimate unboxing. I am so excited because I got so many packages in the mail today that I had been waiting for. I got my Glam Bag Ultimate, my IPSY Glam Bag Plus, and my Bark Box. So clearly I love subscription services and I love sharing my unboxing and unbagging videos with you on my channel. So I'll be posting all of those unboxings, so make sure you're subscribed if you love to see those unboxings as well, and turn on the notification so that you don't miss out when those go up. So if you're not familiar with IPSY, it's a monthly beauty subscription service, and I subscribe to all levels of IPSY. So what I have here is the Glam Bag Ultimate. It's a box, even though they call it a glam bag, and this is $50 a month. I also get the Glam Bag Plus, which is $25, and the regular glam bag, which is $12. I also get both versions of BoxyCharm, so the BoxyCharm Luxe or Base Box, whichever month it is, and the BoxyCharm Premium, and I post all of my unboxings from all of those. And I also do full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products I get as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. So I love when the new month of products and boxes comes in because it just starts the whole cycle again of my favorite types of videos. Oh, and I didn't even mention that after trying out all of my products, I do full face makeup tutorials. I've been doing like maybe a get ready with me, kind of changing it up a bit, but an update on all of the makeup products as I've been using them throughout the month. But so now let me show you what I got in my Glam Bag Ultimate. Lots of products. The Glam Bag Ultimate is so exciting because you get so much, but honestly I'm not always super impressed with what I get because I get a lot of products that I've told IPSY that I don't want, but I'm not going to get negative yet. I'm going to go through the products, and we're starting out on a positive note because I got product information. For a while, I was not getting product information in IPSY, and I really like to get my product information. So why don't I start out by grabbing this product on top here. This is from a brand that I'm not familiar with, which it's fun to try out new brands. This is from Laboratories Filorga, Youth Performance, Regard Eyes, Optimum Eyes. So 3-in-1 eye contour cream, dark circles, puffiness, fine lines. Well, I love skincare. I love eye creams. I use one morning and night. I definitely prefer to get makeup in IPSY, but I have found some amazing skincare products. I just feel like I have so much. But hey, I love an eye cream and I love trying out a new brand. Oh wow, especially a brand where this is the full size. That retails for $49, so that is expensive to me. So I love when I get to try out expensive brands for such a deal. Next, I'll pull out, oh, this is from another brand I'm not familiar with, Oture by Me Instant Repair Mask, ooh, with CBD. Oh, so this is a hair mask, which is great. I actually just got my hair cut recently, so I want to try and keep it healthy for as long as I can. So this says instantly repair damage and split ends, which I'm definitely going to need, and I love CBD. Well, I'm excited to try this out. I use a hair mask every time I wash my hair. And once again, trying out a new brand. So the Oture by Me Instant Repair Hair Mask with CBD. I've never used a CBD product on my hair. And this retails for $38. Cool. So we've got skincare, we've got hair care, oh, and now we've got body care. This is from the brand Bubble Tea. It's body cream in the flavor Peach Iced Tea. Well, I have actually been needing a new body lotion because I'm running low on the one that I'm using now. So this is actually good timing to get this. And I love a good scented body lotion because then I can skip the perfume that day. Oh, and this is a sample size. So that's a decent sample size here. The Bubble Tea Cosmetics Peach Iced Tea Body Cream, which my hands are actually feeling dry right now. I should put on a little bit and hydrate my hands. And then I'll get to see what this really smells like and feels like. I might even bring this down to my work area to be my hand cream because my hands get so dry throughout the day. Oh my gosh, This smells amazing. I am in love with this scent. Oh, I'm so excited. I said that and my dog Dexter just ran over. It's like he wants to smell it too. Here's Dexter making a little appearance in the video. Today is Dexter's 6-month birthday. And the bark box came on his 6-month birthday. How perfect. All right, next up I have Super Silver Haze Purifying Face Mask. Oh wow. Well, face masks, I know, especially the non-sheet masks, are something that I've put many times on IPSY that I don't want to receive. So this is from the brand Makeup Drop. Wow, I have not heard of any of these brands. Oh wow, this retails for $65. So this is a high-end skincare product. Super Silver Haze Purifying Face Mask. So it's supposed to be deep cleaning for pores, hydrating, and soothing. Oh, and it even has CBD in it. That's so funny, 2 products with CBD. But it sounds like this is supposed to target all of the issues. Oh, I know this product here. This is from Purely's. It's the Radiant Glow Illuminating BB Cream, SPF 30. I got this in the shade Fair. Oh, so I have this in the full size, and I did a full dedicated review video on it, which I can have linked in the description down below if you want to see more on this Purely's Radiant Glow BB Cream. I love it, but the shade that I use is medium light, so it'll be interesting to try out the Fair, especially in the winter. Even though my skin doesn't really change much, I don't get much sun exposure. But I absolutely love this product, and it's so exciting that it's an IPSY. Ooh, I know this brand too. This is one of my favorite new skincare brands. This is the brand Biro New York. This is the Bell Pepper Serum. Okay, so right now I am using the Biro Toner, and I think I'm actually using their Tomato Serum. And I am really enjoying both of those. I think this is a very expensive brand. So this serum has a retail value of $110. Well, I'm so glad I get these products in IPSY for an amazing deal because I love the brand Biro. I feel like it really is improving my skin, just giving more glow, even texture. So I'm so excited to have another product. So this has lots of vitamin C in it, so it's supposed to be hydrating, so it'll brighten the dark spots from that vitamin C. It also soothes inflammation and redness, so that is exactly what my skin needs. All right, next up, oh, I know the brand Space Case because of IPSY. So this is, ooh, a highlighter. I think I may have tried out a Space Case highlighter. That was beautiful. So this is Seen from Space 1A. Yes, I have tried this out, but I've tried it out in the 1E. So that's kind of a bummer when IPSY sends a product that I've pretty much already tried before. At least it is a different shade, but I'll have my review video that I did on the Space Case highlighter in the shade 1E linked in the description down below if you want to see that. But I'll still be doing a full dedicated review video on this shade as well. Ooh, cool packaging on this. Ooh, Milk Makeup. So this is the Kush Lip Glaze. Oh, I'm very excited about this. I have heard great things about the Milk Makeup Kush products, and I love lip products. So I got this in the shade Chronic. And so this retails for $18. Ooh, I'm so excited. So it's supposed to be super hydrating for the lips, which my dry lips definitely need. And I think I forgot to tell you the retail value on the Space Case Cosmetics Seen from Space highlighter in 1A is $9. Next up, I have, oh my gosh, this is another black eyeliner. I can't even express how sick I am of black eyeliners. I think I say it in every video every time I get a black eyeliner. But so this is from the brand Trestique, and it's Santorini Black Sand. So the brand Trestique is nice. They have like cool packaging. So smudger on one end, pencil on the other. I just wish IPSY would listen to my feedback and stop giving me black eyeliners though. And I know so many of you feel the same way, right? So this has a retail value of $19. It's the Trestique Eye Pencil in Santorini Black Sand. Ooh, I'm excited to see another MAC product. This is the Cream Sheen Lipstick in the shade Sweet Sakura. I love getting MAC lipsticks. It was not until recently that I got my first MAC product. So through IPSY, I have been building up a little bit of a collection, which is so exciting. Ooh, look at this bright red with some shimmer to it. Oh, I can't wait to try that out. I'm gonna resist doing the swatch and all of that for that full dedicated review video. And this MAC Cream Sheen lipstick in Sweet Sakura has a retail value of $19. I feel like I'm getting pretty much all full-size products though, so that's awesome. Ooh, and then we also got some sheet masks from the brand Star Skin VIP. And I think I got 2 of them. So the Star Skin VIP, the Diamond Mask, and VIP Creme de la Creme Mask. Both of these retail for $30 together. So that's some high-end expensive sheet masks. I'm gonna be treating myself with that. Oh, and then at the bottom here, we've got a palette. Oh, I get so excited when I get palettes. And ooh, this is an IPSY exclusive from Nomad Cosmetics, Toscana. Ooh, I love this. Very excited to play around with this. This has some great fall vibes, but also just kind of like neutral, everyday type of eyeshadow palette. Ooh, I'm so excited. Oh, ending on a palette is a great way to end an unboxing. And then of course, there's also a makeup bag, and this is nice and big. Not the biggest IPSY Glam Bag Ultimate makeup bag, but pretty big, and it seems like really nice quality. It's got like some leather on the back, some suede, so it seems nice and durable. I like to use these glam bags for gift bags, so the holidays coming up, I'm sure I'll be using a lot of these for gift bags, and you can fit a nice size gift in that. And I forgot to mention that the Nomad and Tuscany Intense Eyeshadow Palette retails for $27. And you know what, I was just double checking. I only got 2 sample size products. I thought normally, I think you were guaranteed 8 full size, so you could get up to 4 sample size, but I got 10 full size and 2 sample size, and the value is supposed to be at least $250. So unfortunately, you can't really know the value because of the samples, but I got really high-end products in here that I know I got great value. So why don't I do a quick recap of everything I got. So I got the Skin Star sheet masks, the Nomad Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, the Makeup Drop face mask, the Bubble Tea body cream, the Purlisse BB cream, the MAC Cream Sheen lipstick, the Milk Makeup Kush Lip Glaze, the Tristique eyeliner, the Space Case highlighter, the Biro Bell Pepper serum, the Outre by Use Me Instant Hair Mask, and the Laboratories Filorga eye cream. So overall, a pretty decent box. I'm not like super beyond excited about it because I didn't get that many makeup products that really excited me, but overall I did get really nice products that I am excited to use. So I'd really like to know in the comments down below if you have tried any of these products and what your thoughts are on them, and also let me know what you got in your IPSY Glam Bag Ultimate. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.